Ever felt like your bank is stuck in the dial-up era? Paper statements, confusing fees, and that feeling you're constantly on hold? Yeah, us too. That's why innovative fintech companies like Lunar are popping up, promising a revolution in how we manage our money. But with all this new tech, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Is Lunar a bank? Do they offer debit cards? And most importantly, can they actually help you ditch the traditional banking headache? Let's dive in and unpack what Lunar is all about. Lunar, banking built for the 21st century. Lunar isn't your typical bank. Founded in 2015, these guys are all about making money management simple and, dare we say, fun. They operate completely digitally, with a user-friendly app that lets you control your finances from anywhere, anytime. The heart of Lunar, your digital account. Signing up for Lunar is a breeze. No need to visit a stuffy branch or deal with mountains of paperwork. Just download the app, verify your identity, and boom, you're ready to go. With your Lunar account, you get a bunch of cool features. Effortless budgeting. Tired of spreadsheets and scribbled notes? Lunar helps you set up budgets and track your spending with ease. Visualize your cash flow, categorize expenses, and get real-time insights into where your money goes. Savings made simple. Need a little help putting away some cash for a rainy day or that dream vacation? Lunar offers different savings goals, allowing you to set targets and watch your savings grow. Plus, they even offer competitive interest rates, which is always a bonus. Investing made accessible. Who says investing is just for the Wall Street wolves? Lunar makes investing approachable, even for beginners. With their user-friendly platform, you can buy shares and invest in funds without feeling overwhelmed. But wait, there's more, the Lunar Card. While Lunar itself isn't a traditional bank, they do offer something pretty darn close, a debit card. Here's the breakdown. Digital or physical, choose between a sleek digital card for online transactions or a physical Visa card for everyday purchases. Spend what you have. Unlike credit cards, a debit card is linked directly to your Lunar account. You can only spend what you have loaded in, so there's no risk of racking up debt. Convenience at your fingertips. Use your Lunar Card for online payments, contactless purchases at stores, and even ATM withdrawals, although fees may apply. So, is Lunar a debit card? Not quite. Technically, the Lunar Card is a prepaid card. This means you need to top up your account before you can use it, similar to a gift card. However, it functions very similarly to a debit card, offering the same convenience and security for everyday spending. Lunar versus traditional banks, picking the right fit. Here's the bottom line, Lunar isn't a replacement for a traditional bank, at least not for everyone. If you value a physical branch location or need complex financial services like loans or mortgages, a traditional bank might still be the way to go. However, if you're tired of bank fees, crave a user-friendly experience, and want to take control of your finances, Lunar could be a game changer. With their digital account, budgeting tools, and convenient prepaid card, Lunar empowers you to manage your money on your terms. Is Lunar right for you? Only you can answer that question. But if you're looking for a modern, mobile-first approach to banking, Lunar is definitely worth checking out. Download the app, explore their features, and see if it fits your financial lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.